Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, haul, fashion, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join us to the family. And I like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. And if you don't follow me on social media yet, I'm gonna have here my Instagram and my TikTok where you can follow me, and the links gonna be on the description of this video. And if you follow me, comment on one of my posts for I automatically follow back. All right, so now let's get to the good. So today's video, get excited because we have a beautiful, gorgeous 4 pair of colored contact lens from TTDEYE to try. And you guys know I love contact lens and they are gorgeous. So we have 4 pieces here. Let's try them and you guys let me know which one of them is your favorite. And they are having sales going on, Halloween special. So on the description of this video is going to be all the links and discount code for you guys to get some money off of your next contact lens. All right, so this is how the packaging comes. Super beautiful, super pretty. And then here you have the 4 pair of contact lens. So the box is a little messy because this is a reshoot. The first run wasn't so good. Alright, so we have here the first pair is Polar Light Yellow Green. It's gorgeous. Like I said, it's a reshoot, so I know what they look like. Then you have here the Polar Light Blue. It's a gorgeous blue, this one. Put it down. And then you have here the HD green, also stunning. So all this shade is gorgeous. You guys know that my favorite shades of contact lens is the greens and the blues. So and this one is Daisy Blue. It's a gorgeous little darker blue. And they also come with this little case, little tweezer and a little applicator, and a little case for your store your contact lens. They are already in the little box. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. And then here they were nice enough to send me this beautiful little mirror. All right, and you have here some brochure here, how to put on, how to care for your contact lens, what to do, what to don't, and this little hello card here. All right, and then they also send this cute little sticker set here. And that's it. So now let's start trying these beauties. So this video gets so long because I'm always stuck to them much. The first one that we're going to try is going to be the HD green. So I have the contact here and I have a mirror in front of me that I'm going to be looking at. So bear with me. So this is the little storage case that I was telling you guys about. Alright, so I'm gonna put the first one in. Alright, so we have the first one in. And she is gorgeous. So I'm gonna put another one in and I'll be right back with you guys. So I am back and this is our first pair. This is the green HD and this stunning. Very, very beautiful, very comfortable wear. Look great on a dark brown eyes because I have dark brown eyes and they look very natural. Love it. Alright, so now we're going to take out HD green and then we're gonna try our next pair. Alright guys, so the next pair that we're going to try is the Polar Light Yellow Green. Ooh, another beautiful green. This is the second pair of Polar Light Yellow Green. Very pretty. So I'm gonna put the second pair in and I'll be right back with you. So this is the second pair in. This is the Polar Lights Yellow Green. It's beautiful, gorgeous, love it. Very, very beautiful. So what you guys think? Which one so far is your favorite? This one or the HD green? I love both of them, to be honest. So let me take this beauty out and we're gonna try our next pair. Next pair we're going to try is going to be a blue one, and you guys know that the blue contacts definitely is one of my favorite ones. The Polar Light Blue. This blue is gorgeous, stunning, love it. All right, so I have the first one here. It's going in. this was fast. The first one is in, and it's gorgeous, stunning. I get so excited when I see this blue one. Alright, let me pop the second one in, so this video don't get extremely long. This is what the polar lights blue look like. Which one is your guys' favorite yet? This definitely is one of my favorites. I love this blue, it's gorgeous. And I'm going to have a TTDEYE link in the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. They are having sales going on for Halloween special, so if you're looking for a contact lens for your costume, go check them out. And this one is gorgeous, but they have so many other ones that's stunning too, and they're great quality. You can get them prescription and in a lot of different color and different pattern, which is cool. So let me take this beauty out, and we try our last pair. I don't want to take it out but we have it too, right? But they're gorgeous. I love them. In love. Last but not least is the Daisy blue. Is a gorgeous blue. Love it, Daisy blue. Okay. Alright, so we have the first one here going in. Alright, so the first one is in, and I love this one. They are such a beautiful blue. It's like a little darker one. Gorgeous, stunning, love it. So beautiful, so blue, so me. That is the last pair. That's all for this video. I'm going to have the link for TTDEYE on the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. The contact lens, they are gorgeous. I love all the 4 pairs that I tried today, and you can get them also in prescription if you use a prescription. I have a discount code. It's going to be here when I be editing, and the link for the contacts on the description of this video with the name for all of them if you guys decide to give them a try. I hope you guys enjoy this little try on review for TTDEYE. I see you guys next video. Bye.